that fire alarm. Sam is always cool and calm. If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, 'cause he's gotta save the day. Fireman Sam, 'cause he's brave to the core. Sam is the hero next door.
I want to say a big thank you to all of you who have offered to take part in the Pontypandy litter pick. It is so important that we remove rubbish like this from the tidal flats, as it could hurt the wildlife that live here. Now, let's get litter picking!
Yay!
Let's go!
Mrs. Chen, can Lily come and help us with the litter pick?
Oh, that's very kind. But make sure you stay where we can keep an eye on you.
We will.
Don't worry.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Got another one. Boof!
Oh, look at how much Ellie and Sam have picked up already.
Oh, I think we can do better than that. Come on, Helen, focus. There's a big pile of rubbish up there. If we're quick, we can get it before Sam and Ellie.
Ooh, free pen. I'm going to keep that.
Ew, Norman! We're supposed to be putting the rubbish in the bin bag, not taking it home.
Oh no! Look! That seagull's trying to eat the rubbish.
But there'll be plastic in there, and Jody said it can hurt the wildlife. We've got to stop it eating that rubbish. Shoo! Shoo!
Shoo! Shoo! Shoo? Oh no!
It must have thought it was a fish.
We need to get it back. That's Lily's favourite toy. Mrs. Chen will be so cross.
I think I saw where it landed. It's on one of those islands over there.
Let's go! Come on, Sam. Pick up the pace.
Well, I'm going as fast as I can, Ellie.
This is our second bagful.
Norman, I thought you saw where the seagull landed.
Is that my fault if all these islands look the same?
Shaggy! I want Shaggy!
Don't worry, Lily. I'm sure we're... Ah!
Shaggy!
Oh, come on!
Oh no! I think we've got a bigger problem than Lily's shark.
Right, listen up, people. The tide's coming in, so we need to finish the litter pick now.
Woohoo! I think we may have collected the most rubbish, Sam.
It's the litter picking that counts, Ellie, not the winning. Although I think you might be right.
Come on, Mrs. Chen. We're all done. We should head back to the children now.
Oh.
Okay, Helen. Wait a minute. Where are the children?
Oh no! What are we gonna do? Nobody knows we're here.
Norman Price, did you hear what Jody said? Littering is bad.
It's not littering. It's a message in a bottle. It's what Pontypandy Pete did when he got stuck on a desert island. Actually, Mandy.
Oh, I don't like desert islands.
Shaggy! I want Shaggy!
Don't worry, Lily. Norman Price to the rescue.
No, Norman, don't.
Oh! Ow! My knee!
Norman, are you okay?
Oh no!
Pandy. But I read in my first aid book you're not supposed to move an injured person.
What are we gonna do?
Please help. We are stuck on a desert island in the sea. Norman Price. Norman Price? P.S. Bring Fizzy Pop.
Oh. Has anyone seen Lily or the children?
Oh, no. Norman and the other children must be stuck on one of those islands. Better call Ocean Rescue.
The children are stranded on one of the islands in the tidal flats, and the tide is coming in.
The children are stranded on one of the islands in the tidal flats, and the tide is coming in.
Thanks, Penny. Right, Ellie, this looks like a job for the hovercraft.
Roger that, Sam. Can you see them yet, Sam?
Not yet, Ellie. Ah, there they are, Ellie. Now take us in nice and slow.
Rescued!
Okay, kids, stay calm. Hey, wait, where's Norman?
I'm over here. I've hurt my knee.
He can't move.
Right, Ellie, we're getting close to high tide. We need to get Helen here fast. Don't worry, Norman. We're going to get you out of here.
Okay, let's have a look at this knee, Norman.
Lily!
What about Norman? Is he okay? It's only a sprain. You'll be as good as new in a few weeks.
Oh, thank you, Nurse Flood.
Take us up, Tom. We're sorry, Fireman Sam.
You have to be very careful around the sea, Mandy. And it's very important to always let an adult know where you are.
And you can't always rely on messages in bottles.
I'm sorry too, Fireman Sam. I got carried away with litter picking and wasn't keeping an eye on the children.
Sharky. We're sorry, Lily. We tried to get Sharky back for you.
You lost Sharky?
Oh, what's that about Sharky?
Sharky!
Oh no! The Seagull's back!
No! That's my Sharky!
Oh, well done, Lily. I think we've had enough Seagull shenanigans for one day.